coming onto stage in however forward, and now I can really work on it. And thank you.
So today we learned all about our colours, and I think it confirmed some things that I kind of knew but didn't really know. No one had ever told me, but I knew kind of what colours didn't work, so it was really good to have that confirmation. And also I learned not to say like I just did, and also noticed that I do ask questions that aren't actually questions by making my voice go up, and that's really good to be aware of. I said again, so work on that.
Today was great. We learned heaps around colour and how important it is with branding yourself and then stepping out on stage, and some tips and tricks, I guess, to engage your audience as well. So it's great. I recommend you come. Just really understanding what makes you actually stand out with the clothes you wear, and yeah, it's important.
Hi, my takeaway is when presenting to an audience, just understand that they do want you to succeed and what you're doing, and also to not say No, I really enjoyed today. It was great, so thank you both.
I love the combination of personal styling with your business, so the ability to also look at colours from a business point of view and a logo branding. And my takeaway is learning to actually ground yourself before you present.
So thank you ladies, today was great. The styling and colours was fantastic. The takeaway was around speaking on stage, all those tips and tricks, the grounding and the not saying So thank you very much.
Every time I come to one of Janeen's events, I always go away feeling really lifted up, and but I found you fascinating as well, and everything that I thought I knew wasn't actually completely right, but yes, I learned such a lot from you, and it's good. It's a combination of so many things with Janeen and with you, and I've just had lots of fun, and I'll just continue to keep coming.
Hi, I'm Karen Clark, and I have just been in this workshop with Janeen and Moana. And my biggest takeaway with Moana is that there's so much about how we present ourselves and our confidence that we can add through our styling, and our styling is way more than just what we wear. And my biggest takeaway with Janeen is the things like being aware of your tone and the words that we add in, and really learning to be confident about everything that you're doing and get over that internal dialogue and know that you know your stuff and you can do the very best presentation you can with all these tips that she's given us. And we can always learn from other people. That's my biggest takeaway. Thank you.